Here's a 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. From the striking looks to the proven powertrain technologies that are up to any task, this Silverado stands out from the rest. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Ecotec 3 engine, AutoTrack 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer hitch receiver, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, Bluetooth, manual tilting steering column, active grille shutters, electronic shift on the fly, and OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.